So in this video I'm going to show how to check the whole transmission and see if anything needs to be replaced. I have 6 10mm screws. I use this also insulation because sometimes the problem that the snow gets in and then it kind of like stays there frozen. So I have to undo six screws. So the problem that I'm just using to fix the problem, I'm just using this kind of pipes insulation. So it's 10mm screws, pretty standard. Doesn't look too bad. I'll have to put some grease. Probably need to replace the belt next winter. You see, it's kind of rotating. So everything moves. I'll have to put some grease. I'll have to clean it so that it looks nice and it works as I want it to be. Alright, so this is the mechanisms. These are the belts. I'll have to put some grease and I will need to clean it to make sure that it works before the winter. And I'm also using sometimes the belt refresher. So it's really interesting spray, but it actually works. Right, this is how it looks like. I have to clean it, put some grease inside there, here and here. This is our mechanism.